Guys, take a look at this. I did a search for what was trending under Halloween using Flying Research, and take a look at the first books here. Here's pumpkin carving stencils, the same thing, the same thing. Scroll down to the second line, the same thing, the same thing. So, what does that tell you? This is what is actually trending. So, I did some additional research, and if you'd like to know what I found out, keep watching. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a niche that not many people are uploading to, and that you should be uploading to as fast as possible because it's a niche with very little competition and high demand. So without further ado, let's get right into dissecting this niche. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I did a search for Halloween books. I searched using Flying Research. By the way, if you want to learn more about Flying Research, there's a link in the description below. And I did a Halloween search under KDP. Whenever I'm doing a search for books, I search under KDP and I click search, sorting by BSR. And look at this, all of them are newcomers. So I did some additional search because I didn't first of all know what pumpkin carving stencils were. So I did some search, and here's what I found out. So I came across this video on YouTube showing me exactly how to use pumpkin stencils. So I did some search on Creative Fabrica to know exactly how this niche is faring, and surprisingly it's just 7 results. Like when I search for pumpkin carving stencils, as you can see right here, just 7 results popped up. So I did some additional searching on Amazon to see how many people were publishing on this niche, and to my greatest surprise, just 266 results, guys. So before you ask what strategy did I use, I used the all. I left it on all, then I searched for pumpkin carving stencil book, and just 266 results popped up. I was like, wow, this is crazy. This is a niche that not many people are uploading to and should be uploading to because the competition is not that great. So like I said before, I did some searching on some interiors, where to find interiors for pumpkin carving stencils. By the way, if you're not really sure what pumpkin carving stencils are, this is how it looks. I did a search for one of the books that are doing well on Amazon, and it's just basic interiors like these, guys. So what this interior or what this book does is people are going to cut out pages from the book and they're going to stick it on pumpkins like this, and they're going to carve out that design on the pumpkin. So that is how people get designs, beautiful designs on pumpkins that they're going to put a candle inside, or whatever lighting source they use. They're going to put it inside, and that light is going to bring out the design on the walls and things like that, decorating your house on Halloween. So this is a very huge niche that people are actually searching for right now, but there's very little competition because not many people even know that it exists to begin with. So I decided to bring this to you guys to let you know that this niche exists and it's a very low competition, and you should be uploading to as fast as possible. So I actually was researching, watching some videos about how to do it. So let me just quickly play this video so it shows you how they get this interior on the pumpkin. So I'm just gonna scroll back here. So just play it for a bit. So they wet it and they put it on the pumpkin.
Press the pattern to the same side of the pumpkin that you
Then they're gonna put a bubble wrap all over it and start carving. So how simple is that? Very simple interiors that you can grab from Creative Fabrica. Not many results at the moment, but it must not be, you must not grab it from Creative Fabrica. You can also grab this from Vexels. They're basically silhouette. So Vexels also has this. So Halloween silhouettes, let's get that off. So this is what I was trying to talk about, that Whenever I say niche that not many interiors are on Creative Fabrica, that should tell you that not many people are uploading it. Because most people go to Creative Fabrica to just grab and upload an interior on Amazon. And if that interior is not available, most of them don't tend to get into that niche. So although there are not many results for carving stencils on Creative Fabrica is just 7 results. Although there are not many, but there are thousands and thousands of results on Vexels. By the way, if you want to learn more about Vexels, there's a link down in the description below. You click the link, it's gonna land on my page. On my page, you get 35% discount as opposed to landing directly on Vexels' page where you get 25% discount. So here are several silhouettes that you can use. You can make hundreds and hundreds of books in this niche because Halloween is quickly approaching and people are already purchasing this. So I did a search for pumpkin carving stencil book. Like I said before, it was just 266 results. And look at this price, $5.99. It's sponsored and it's already selling. Let's keep scrolling. When was this published? October 4th, guys. Wow, that was like literally 4 days ago. And look at the BSR, it's already selling. So that tells you how this niche is very, very lucrative. Look at this other one. When was this published? It's also sponsored. October 2nd, the same thing, guys. So, and it's already selling. This is guaranteed. It's guaranteed that your book is going to sell. And look at the interiors. It's not even difficult to make, guys. So just come here, grab interiors from Creative Fabrica. You have billions, gazillions of them, and you upload to Amazon. So that's basically what I wanted to tell you guys. And as opposed to the other niches that we already upload to, like I did a search for one of the most popular categories that people always upload to in the KDP world is Halloween coloring books, because so many people, whenever you want to talk about a book, everyone's head is going to coloring books, activity books, coloring books. So I did a search to compare with this stencil pattern book, and look at this, a whopping 8,000 results as compared to 266 results for pumpkin carving stencil. So guys, this shows you that this is a niche that is worth uploading to because people are already making sales. Look at this. Published how many days ago? And October 2nd, literally 6 days ago. And look at this. It's 56,000 BSR. Estimated sales. Look at that. 2942. Wow. I can't even keep talking, guys. So please, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about freelance and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.